2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 5, 6, 7. So the basic. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Cross body. 1, 2, 3. You're gonna push pull. 5, 6, 7. Off the spot. We're gonna start giving her 2.5 left with the left hand. 1, 2. On 3, I'm gonna switch it to my right hand, keeping the motion going. 3. I'm gonna bring my left hand around, so my right hand's gonna pass it out to the left. 5. I'm gonna stop around the shoulders and step forward. 6. And do a half a right turn off the slap. 7. On 1, I'm gonna be asking for the hand. 1, prepping her in. Now I'm giving her a 2.5 right, so I'm going to be going fingers down. 2, now I'm going to speed up with my palm up. 3, 4, 5, switch it to my left hand. I'm going to do a back chart. 6, 7. So now I'm going to switch her prep, so right hand down, pull with the left. 1, start unwinding her to the right on 2, 3, I'm going to wrap her up. 5, and I'll make her step forward. 6, 7, and I start turning her. So now on 1, I'm going to let go of the left hand, step back. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Cross body. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7.
5, 6, 7. Start with the basic. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Cross body lead. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 2.5 left. Turn. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 2.5 right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We're gonna do half a turn to the left and prep. 1. Then turn to the right on the front foot. 2, 3, forward on 5, forward on 6, half the turn to right on 7. Open up on 1, turn to left 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Cross body lead. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7.
Hi guys, it's Angie from Casa Salsa. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to check out our other free videos with tips and tricks for the dance floor. Make sure you subscribe to the link below so you don't miss any of our new upcoming content. And if you look in the description, you'll find a link to our website to get access to exclusive content. And if you want to take a live class with us, you can do so as well. Link on the description. See you next time.